Here we are. This building is our factory. You can see our logo here. Okay, going now. Put on scenes and set up the camera right. My colleague is ready. There is only one corridor between offices and the manufacturing shop. Good soundproof. Some cabinets at the entrance, but not our topic for today. I think the set of brewhouse on the left should be exhibit for visitors. In addition to brewing equipment, we also supply filling machine, malt miller, and so on. A site of distillery on the right, waiting for shipment. There are many customers who visited to our factory. If after opportunity to China, we welcome you. Packaging fermenters should be sent in the near future. These as well. But I'm pretty sure some of them must be in stock. Another set of brewhouse. 5 fermenters for our Canadian customer were done, and also are waiting for shipment. Starting shooting. This equipment is a centrifuge to be sent on 15th. Now we are going to shoot some details of other products. Take a look at another shop by the way. Some unfinished tanks. This white protective covering will be removed before shipping. Stainless steel for fermenters. Such large diameters should be used for tank with over 3000 liters capacity. And standby dimple jackets. We are finished. Tidy up and we are going to drive back to Jinan. See you next time and thank you very much for watching.